Hello friends, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about a topic that affects many of us, sugar consumption. Did you know that the average American consumes about 17 teaspoons of added sugar every day? That's far more than the recommended amount by health experts. So let's dive into the warning signs that you might be eating too much sugar. Let us start by discussing desires. Do you find yourself needing sweets all the time, even after you have had the meal? This may indicate that your body has developed a sugar addiction, which can set off a vicious cycle of desires. Let us now examine your energy levels. Do you often feel lethargic during the day, especially after you have had sugary drinks or snacks? Although sugar may provide a brief energy boost, it frequently causes a crash that leaves you feeling exhausted and listless. Another warning sign is weight gain, particularly around the midsection. Consuming excess sugar can lead to an increase in visceral fat, which is linked to a higher risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and type 2 diabetes. A word of caution: before making significant changes to your diet, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are on medication. If you like what you've seen thus far, please click the like and subscribe buttons and the bell notification. Thank you for viewing. Pay attention to your skin. Do you see dullness in your complexion or frequent breakouts? Consuming a lot of sugar can contribute to inflammation in the body, which can result in skin conditions like acne and early aging. Let's not forget about our dental health. Are you experiencing more cavities or tooth decay than usual? Bacteria in the mouth feed on sugar, producing acids that can erode tooth enamel and lead to cavities. Finally, pay attention to your body's signals. Do you often have headaches or mood swings? Consuming sugar can cause blood sugar levels to rise and fall, which can have an impact on your physical and emotional health. So if you've noticed any of these warning signs, it might be time to reevaluate your sugar intake. Remember, moderation is key when it comes to enjoying sugary treats. Try swapping out sugary snacks for healthier alternatives like fruits, nuts, or Greek yogurt. Your body will thank you in the long run. That's all for today's video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. Until next time, take care and stay healthy.